All right, everybody. What's happening? How y'all doing tonight on this lovely night of September 27th, soon to be September 28th? All right, so today we will be going over US30. We'll be doing a recap on what I saw today. Hold on one second. Let me just move you over. All right, there we go. All right, so we're going to be going over US30. Today I caught 200 pips on US30. Not as much as I wanted to, but better than nothing. All right. 200 pips is, it's pretty good. You can live pretty comfortably on 200 pips, especially if you're catching them on a daily basis. All right. And we all know US30, you can catch a pretty good amount of pips every day on US30. All right. So I don't know how many of you guys checked out my last video that I posted here on what is this, TradingView, but it was actually from here. I caught it from my zone up here. I waited until price took out this Asia high, and I noticed it was right up here, close to my zone. So it took out the Asia high, and I just waited for it to come back. Okay, because we got our this was the Asia session. We took out the liquidity over the top of Asia, came down. You see all this momentum coming down here. We had our change of character. Well, not change of character, breaker structure. All right. And it came back up into the zone. We had some inducement right here that got some early sellers in. And then right here, we also had like a liquidity grab, and price went back up into the zone. And once price went back up into the zone and started coming down, I was able to go down to a lower time frame. Let's see. It's the 3 minute. Did I want to go to the lower time frame? Well, actually, I got in around here somewhere, close to 50% of that zone. All right, close to 50% of that zone, 34067. Now, this wasn't the exact price on my MetaTrader, but it was fairly close. But I did get in. It was somewhere in between where my zone opened up and my entry. All right, somewhere around there. All right. And what happened was I just took the trade on down. Okay. And I moved my stop loss. I just kept moving my stop loss, moving my stop loss. And I moved my stop loss down. I ended up catching like 420 pips that day. All right. I wish I would have stayed in. I wish I would have stayed in. But I really don't like, at the end of the day, I like to get out and, wait for a retracement and, get back in. So that's what I did. I got out. Um, let's see. I got in here somewhere. Yeah, this was at night. This was at night when I got in. And I caught it down 420 pips. All right. And then it came down even further. Let me see. I got in around here. Say this was my entry. 420, that'd have been about six something, 33, six, somewhere around. It was somewhere down around here. All right. So then I was like, well, you know what? Because I looked at it on how coming down for like a couple, at least a week or so, 2 weeks maybe. All right. So I said, man, price probably is still gonna come down, and I'm looking at it coming down to about 33,000. That's what I'm looking to sell into, 33,000. That's my ultimate target. All right. So I stayed with the sell. I stayed with the sell today. All right. And what I saw, we had this Asia liquidity right up in here. But this right here, this little small spike, let me see if I could zoom in some for y'all. Watch this, check this out. This is where I hesitated. I missed it because I wanted to get in right here, but I was doubting whether or not I should because, check this out. This right here, I actually saw this as inducement, right? I actually saw this as inducement. So I was thinking it was going to come up, especially with these equal highs right here. I thought it might have would have come back up, maybe tap this zone again. All right, because right here it didn't quite reach 50%, but it was close. But I thought it was going to come up and tap that zone again. But once it started coming down, I was like, man, look like I might have missed it. So what I did, I didn't get in up here. I got in somewhere around here on the retest, somewhere around here on the retest, and that's how I was able to catch the additional 200 pips on here. All right. Now I am looking for price to come up because if you see, we have inducement going on right here, right now. All right. And we have these impulse candles over here. So I'm looking at price coming up to perhaps somewhere. And look, let me tell y'all, let me show y'all something. Inducement. This is how I'm going to show y'all the fibs. I have different fib settings, but I'm going to show y'all the ones I use for inducement. Hold on a second. I go from the top of the range, of course, to the bottom of the range. All right. Now this fib here is my smart money fib. All right. I use this for like 50% interest and stuff like that. But I have this smart money fibs with fair price right here. All right. So you see this shaded area, this heavily shaded area. When price is coming down and you see it come back up into the like the middle of the range and it start consolidating, this is what I consider to be inducement right up in here. All right. And I look for a zone somewhere up in here in the premium area. You know, you want to sell in premium. This is premium. This will be discount. Selling from up here is premium. Selling from down here is discount. So I'm looking for price to come back up into the premium area and give me a sell. And from this sell, I'm just going to target 33,000 and just try to stick with it instead of getting in and out like that. Um, I know it's going to be like from me getting in and out, you know, close to the end of the day, it might be a little nerve wracking on those pullbacks, but I'm going to try and see at least, and you know, just continue like I did here, just move my stop loss at every time we break structure, like we come down, break structure, pull back, come back down, then I'll move my stop loss to previous lower high. All right, and that's how I'm going to handle that. But I just wanted to show you guys this. This is how I trade US30. I love US30. It's like my favorite pair, because when US30 is trending, you can make a lot of money. And it trends for a while. So you can get in and out, you can stay in it, you can do whatever. All right. But I just wanted to show you guys that. I hope you guys have a great day. Have a great successful day. Tomorrow's Thursday. Be careful. And have a good night. Thank you.